We have a heavy product. It's a floor LED RGB lamp and needs some assembly. Yeah, it comes in a nice small box and it is well packaged. So let's open this bad boy up, show you what you get inside and get right to it. As we open the product, we see everything is packaged and plastic covered. We have some assembly to do. We have an instruction guide, a remote control that is magnetic that will hold on to the base, and a power cord with a dedicated DIN plug. We got the base here that we're going to lay on the floor. We got all these cables and poles to connect. To you is the application that runs the lamp that's behind me. You can see it's changing colors. We're going to go to a night mode here. We're going to go to a read mode. We're going to go to a working mode. And we have leisure, soft, colorful, dazzling, and gorgeous. Let's look at dazzling. And let's look at the color schematics here. We could change the colors to a yellowish, and we could basically dim it down, brighten it up, and do the other light, dim it down. Now if we had music going, we could add music, and we have a scene, which we did already, and the white light, we could go from a warm to a blue Kelvin. We could put it on a timer and do more, schedule it, put it on a plan, and so forth. Now if we don't have a smartphone, and we have a remote control that we can go here and increase the brightness, we could decrease the brightness, change the Kelvin, and do the RGB on top to shut it off, turn it on, and turn the other one off and turn it on. There's a lot we can do with this. We have a 2700 Kelvin. We have here is a 6500 Kelvin, a 4000 Kelvin, a 30-second timer, and we have a sleep mode. I hope you enjoy the light. This is a light that you are looking for to put in the background, do the work for your needs. Enjoy your light if this is a light that you are looking for. Thank you very much for viewing the product.